Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. I am Nikhil Kumar. If you already know how to deploy Gateway API, this is where the things start getting serious. Up to now, we have been learning how Gateway API works. But from this point on, we are going to focus on how to use the Gateway API in a real production system. Everything inside this series lives under one playlist, that is Kubernetes Gateway API. And I don't want to split into separate mini playlists. Instead, I think of doing it as a journey in different phases. Phase 1 was about fundamentals, understanding Gateway API, HTTPS, cert-manager and migrating from Ingress. Phase 2 took that into the cloud, real clusters, real load balancer and the real traffics. So if you followed so far, you already know the basics. But here's the thing. Production systems don't fail because your YAML file is wrong. They fail because deployment aren't safe, team interfere within each other, security assumption also breaks, and infrastructure doesn't scale as per the requirement. And the phase 3 exists to solve all of these problems. In phase 3, we are going to use the Gateway API to solve the real platform problems, like how do you release changes without taking users down, how do multiple teams share the same cluster, how do you stop trusting everything inside the network, and how do you choose the right gateway controller for your infrastructure? These are the questions that real DevOps and Platform Engineer deals with. So phase 3 focuses on 5 big areas. First, how to structure Gateway API properly for production, not for the demos. Then how to ship changes safely using blue-green and the canary strategies. Next, how to design multi-tenant setups where different teams or customers don't break each other. Then how to move towards zero trust with mTLS. And finally, how to choose right Gateway API controller based on your requirement and your use case. And at the end, all of this connects with one big project. Think of a realistic SaaS-based platform. Real users, real traffic, and real consequences when something breaks. So here's how to watch it. If you're new to the Gateway API, start from the beginning of this particular playlist. And if you already understand the basics, jump straight into the next phase when it drops to understand the production grade Gateway API setups. This is where the phase 3 really begins. From here on, we move away from the tutorial and start thinking in terms of the real production traffic architecture. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with your friends and subscribe for more content like this. And hit the bell icon so you will get the notification when the phase 3 video drops. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.